Hello everyone, so we're going to be solving level 9 in Game Development 2, so let's make that a little bit bigger. So here we scroll down to Game Development 2, select JavaScript, and we're going to solve Persistence Pays, level 9 in Game Development 2. So let's go ahead and play the level. As it's loading up, you should always read what the instructions are. We want to win the game. Track the game's defeated property, store the defeated property in the DB. DB is an abbreviation for database. And as you can see, it's taking a little while to load, but don't worry about that. And then there's a little bit of a quote here by Nelson Mandela. It always seems impossible until it's done. So it's still loading, taking a while. There we go, finally it's there. So again, here's our example of setting things, right? So db.set, right? db is the object, sets the method, and then here are the values, right? So you have a key, right? And then the value is game defeated, and here we have a key of plays and the value of 1, and then the track part. All right, track means we're going to display it to the screen, UI, user interface, dot track, database, and we're going to display the plays. So let's go ahead and start the round, and we can see we would read all of this, but let's just go straight to it. So first thing, it says track, store the value of defeated property of the game object, right? So when it says show, that means we're going to use that UI track, right? We want to use, as you can see up here is the UI. We've got a little scoreboard, time, plays, wins, total defeated. So we need to update that defeated. So we're going to grab line 22, copy that, paste it here, and then what do we need? We need game there, and then this time becomes defeated, right? And then here, next arrow, line 31, it says use db add key to the value of game defeated. So let's grab that because we need to know how to form this, right? So // so we know what we got. And so we're going to do db.add. And what's the key? The key is right here, right? There's the word key, total defeated. Let's grab that, paste that in there. And then we need to find our value. Where's our value? It says add the value of game defeated. So there's our key, right? There's our value. So it's different than what we normally use, right? Because in here we had a key of plays and a value of 1. So it's not always numerical, right? So we have a key of total defeated and a value of game defeated. So that looks like a method, right? Game.defeated. But let's go ahead and give that a shot and see what happens. So let's play. And here comes the enemies. Those are the blue guys. And I'm going to play and start clicking and attacking back. So clicking, and it's a bit laggy. I don't know if it's my Wi-Fi, probably is. So I'm attacking. As you can see, it gets updated. I've got 2 defeated, and I went down. So I can't. Oh, but I still got a success. So even though I went down, I guess I stayed alive long enough. So there we go. We are done. And we're going to the next level.